Hello everyone. Do you need to take your Webflow website to new heights in 2023? With these 5 invaluable tips and tricks, you will learn how to optimize performance, implement advanced interactions, and design like a pro to craft a visual, stunning, and engaging website. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So to start off guys, this is Webflow and this is the website how it looks like at the moment as editor. So the thing is Webflow interface can be a little bit complicated for you, but I will tell you now some tricks and tips to help you optimize your website experience. So for this, we will have two kind of different tips and tricks from ChatGPT and from an article that I found online from a certified website. So first of all, as this website is telling us, which is the 10 tips of Webflow, which is we are going to only say about 5 of them because the other 5 are so common. You don't really have to read it and go deeply into them, but we are going only to talk about the first 5. So first of all, here we have keep your hidden up. So it's crucial that each and every page on your website has one H1 hidden, ideally followed by an H2 hidden. The H1 hidden should be identical to the page title, whistle the H2 is normally the first description on the page. Why does this matter? If you want to generate free graphic to your site, search engine like Google need to see it. Think of the H1 and to some extent the H2 as signpost to each page. So here, like this is like an example of what a heading should be looking like and how the headings should be looking like in each page. So there is H1 the heading and H2 the second heading. So what are the difference between these two? So first of all, this is my website as you can see. Let me try to open it. So here we go. Publish selected domains. Here we go. And now I'm going to publish it online. So once people are actually going to view my site like that, the first thing that will open for them is the H1 hidden, which is the main menu over here. So once they go to another page, which is for example an about, they don't really know if they are an about or not. So what is this? What is that? So they don't really know. There is no title that is telling them that this is the about. And this is where the H2 hidden comes out. The H2 hidden is basically going to mention that, hey, sir or visitor, you are on the about page. So these are the information that you are going to find in this page are totally about the about page, which is completely about our company, our services, describing our page. So in case you weren't interested, this is the wrong page for you. So here, as you saw in my website, I don't really have this feature yet. So what I have to do simply is to add the H2 hidden to my website. Simply, I can go to the about section and add a text over here, which gonna helped me a lot to do a lot of things. So this is the first thing, which is each page will have the H1 hidden, which is the most common one, which is the menu, and followed by the H2 hidden, which is the description, for example, about page, services page, gallery page, pricing contacts page, etc. So this is for the first tip. Second of all, which is optimize those images and videos in case you had any videos. You can massively improve page loading times by compressing images and videos before you upload them. So how you can do that? Simply by going to the tiny page, which is like a panda logo thing. Yep, this is the one. So you can simply just upload any kind of image you have into here and you will be able to download and compress this image up to 20 times. So in case the image was 5 megabytes, it can go to a little bit of kilobytes, not even megabytes. So this will help your website to load even more faster and takes less time to load. So for example, here the images are taking some time to load, but in general, in case you had them compressed and everything correctly done, you will have them loaded instantly and not taking any glitch or second. Now to the second or the third tip, which is simply be alt those images. So use the alt tag on your website images, all of them. That alternative attribute text is extremely important these days. It gives context as to what an image is displaying, which allows search engine crawler to index it correctly. It can improve search visibility as well. Have you ever wondered how those images got to the top of the search engine result page or those images? So basically, altering the images means it's not really what you heard by alt. So for example, here I'm going to alt this image. What does it mean is here. So here are text, as you can see, if I added, for example, hero main image. So simply now, let's say my website is about cars and someone searched for cars. Okay, cars. So here we go, cars. They won't really find my websites because I don't have any keywords here about cars. I mean, and guess what will happen if they search for main hero or hero main image? They will actually, sometimes if they went deep into the pages, they will find my homepage. Like, this is so stupid, guys, that little things like that can actually sacrifice the visibility of your websites on the search engines. So make sure to give each one of your images, each layer of your website, an alt text. This will help you a lot to load more in the ranking of the top search engines above the world. So here, for example, write cars, services, anything that has relationship with the things that you are doing, make sure to put it in here. And that will boost you a lot. And now for the actual fourth tip, which is every page in Webflow should include a meta title and a meta description if you want your page to organically rank on search engine results, which is the same thing that I've told you about the H1 and the H2. It is just different thing. And here, open a tab. Keep your website on screen and in mind by ensuring all external links open in a new tab. So here, let's say that we have this website correctly done. We have our social links, everything. Do not publish the website instantly. I mean, publish it and then open it in a in incognito page. And then what you have to do, go through each one of these buttons. Click on each one of them. Make sure that each one of these buttons is functioning well. Do not miss any buttons, especially on your social media buttons. For example, here I'm going to click on Facebook. It is not working. Now people can't actually go to our social media. And this is so bad, guys. Imagine if you had a wrong link linked into this Twitter. This will cost you a lot. So make sure that you click on each button of these and everything that can be actually clicked on this page, make sure to click on it so you can fix any problem that you might have in your website. And now for the ChatGPT tips, there is some kind of tricks that you can use as use Flexbox and Grid for responsive layout, create a custom animation and interactions, optimize images and assets, which we talked about, implement SEO best practices, and test and iterate, which are the same stuff that we talked about in this video in general. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. Thanks a lot for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.